السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. آه طبعا يوم السبت كان اجازة. آه عشان كده ما كانش فيه محاضرة. بس ممكن ناخد حاجة نمشي بيها نفسنا في السكاشن برضو نستفيد منها، اللي هي using technology in curve fitting or how to use technology in curve fitting. We have Windows programs like Excel, but now I can show you how to use it even in Android. If we have Office Excel, of course, one of the Office products, so we can open any Excel file. All what we need is to write or insert our data, X, Y, and then we put our data or our table in the Excel sheet. Then we want to get the slope and the intercept of this data. So we select this data like this. We stop at X, or for example, and then drag the whole table. Then from insert we want to insert chart, scatter, XY scatter. The first one will just put the points. This will put the points and the line. Here the line without the dots. Okay, let's put both of them like this. So now we have the line. From chart we can pick layout. We will pick a layout with the curve fit and the equation, like this one. If we zoom in, we will find the line and the equation. As you can see, y equal minus x plus 5. So our the intercept for this data is c equal 5 and the slope equal minus 1. We can use this method on Android like now, or even in Windows. Let's try another example. Here, as we said, we stop at the X, then we drag the whole table. Then from the menu we will pick insert at first, then chart, XY scatter, and we can choose any one of those. Let's now pick just the points or the dots. Now we have these dots. We want to add the trend and the equation. So from layout we search this one. We'll just draw the trend line. We want also the equation, so here we can find both. 2.5x plus 0.5. So our intercept is, or C, equal 1.5 and the slope equal 2.5. This is how to use a program like Excel in the curve fitting linear equation. We can use it, of course, for the quadratic and exponential and the power. But now I know that you just studied the linear or the straight line. This was part 1. There is another part for Android apps like Curve Fit tools.